I'm going to pull the fire alarm to skip school. Why, Bianca? Because I don't feel like doing 66 plus 1. I is my time to shine. Bianca, what are you doing? You should go to math class. I'm putting fire alarm to skip school. That's it, you are going to detention for 380 hours. What the heck? Another day 28. Look at my paper. That's is Bianca. I am calling your parents. Hello, Bianca's mom. Bianca is pulling the fire alarm, and she failing her classes. Bianca, how dare you put the fire alarm? That's it, you are grounded for 28 years. Bianca hates going to school.